Hello and welcome. Today we're working in managerial accounting in the chapter called activity-based costing, and we're working on the very first exercise we're going to do on plant-wide MOH rate. Now, if you're new, my name is Jeff from Finally Learn, and I teach a lot of accounting, a lot of finance, a lot of investing, so please like, please comment, and we'd love for you to subscribe. So let's get started with this little problem. So what we have is, we have a company, Sierra Company, that has two different models, the good and the great. Now, what we know for the good and the great, we know direct materials cost $23 and direct labor costs $33 for the good. And then for the great, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, $35 for materials and labor is $48. Now, a lot of times I just abbreviate it. Direct materials and direct labor, right? So direct materials and direct labor, DM and DL, and overhead, I always just abbreviate it MOH for manufacturing overhead. Okay, so that's the same thing that we know. Now, let's say the budgeted overhead is $112,625, and our budgeted direct labor hours is 8,500. And for every good product that we produce, it takes 3 direct labor hours, and the great takes 5 hours to make for direct labor. So here's our instructions. We want to compute a single plant-wide MOH rate, assuming the company allocates based on direct labor hours. So these right here are going to be important. And then we're going to compute the MOH cost per unit. And then, since we already know the materials and labor, we're going to figure out the MOH cost per unit and then add it all up and get the cost for each unit for materials, labor, and overhead. Okay, so here's what we have for the plant-wide overhead rate. We're going to take our total overhead divided by the total direct labor hours and divide it out and get the MOH per unit. So it's going to be the budgeted overhead is $112,625. The direct labor hours we think are going to be 8,500. Now, budgeted just simply means this is what we planned on for the future. It's not already happened yet. So 112,000 divided by 8,500, we're going to end up with $13.25. So our single plant-wide MOH rate is going to be $13.25. So now we're going to use that in number 2 to calculate the MOH cost per unit. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We know that our MOH rate is going to be $13.25. And that's going to be true in both cases. Now, one thing that I recommend, just real quickly on the MOH rate, is go to 4 decimal places. This one came out to be $13.25. But this is kind of a homework problem, a textbook type problem, a class type problem. The numbers could be kind of not even. So this could be 113,400, right? And that would be a good estimate. And then the answer would be 13.3412, and that repeats. So hang on to 4 decimals so you can see what's happening. All right, so for each one, our overhead rate is $13.25. How many hours does it take to make a good product? Well, 3. How many hours does it take to make a great product? Well, it takes 5 hours. So all we're doing is taking the $13.25 times the 3 hours and the 5 hours, and we're going to multiply this. So this is $13.25 times 3. So our overhead per unit for good is going to be $39.75. We'll do the same thing over here for the great. $13.25 times 5 is $66.25. We're using the plant-wide rate of $13.25 times the number of hours for one item of good and one item of great. Now, let's put all this together. We know materials, labor, and overhead. So what is our material cost for good? For good, it's 23, and then it's going to be 33 for our labor. Our great, in fact, we can just copy this across. Our great is 35 and 48. Let's check our work. 35 and 48, so we want to point to those. And then what is our overhead? We just calculated overhead to be $39.75 and $66.25. So what we have is we have materials and labor and overhead. So all we need to do is add this up. I can highlight these two, and I'm on Mac, so Command-Shift-T to use my auto sum. If you're on Windows, Alt equals would be the sum. Let me show you again. So all I have to do, I can do it this way, or I can highlight everything. But if the numbers are contiguous, then all I have to do is put select the cell here, Command-Shift-T, or Alt equals Command-Shift-T, and that adds that up quickly. So the formula is the sum of D32 through D34, and that's what we have. So here's the idea here. We used the plant-wide rate of $13.25. We figured out our overhead per unit, our MOH per unit, and then we already knew materials and labor, and now we have overhead. So it takes $95.75 to make good, and it takes $149.25 to make great. So this is how you allocate based on the plant-wide MOH rate. Hey, I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.